Shinba, Manipur State Transport ki bus amada Paumi Ukhul District Pangdokba mga Shuba Chirui Kumhaigi ngasi aroiba numita Pau Lawba Chatnabagidamak All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amjuna Shinba Bus Ama Major Kulun Leiba Manipur Press Club Tagi Ukhul Gidamak Hongshan Bahaukre Bus Asagi Mamangda Media Team All Manipur Working Journalists Union Haina Banner Chowna Tetuna Ukhul Tamna Paumi Singadu Chatpa Haukibani Ningsing Bayabadi Haukiba Mekunda Shirui Kumai Hodokpan Numita DIPR na Shinba Manipur State Transport ki bus amada Paumi Sungna Togna Chatlingaida Gwaltabi area da Manipur Thaba Wahay adu Lautho Haiba Thawong Chatharakpadagi Paumi Singi Ning Tamba amadi Paumi Singi free movement da Singnarakpa amadi harassment Pidakpakhak Natana Manipur ki miyamna Thodok adu Manipur Pumbada amadi Manipur ki integrity da Singna Bani Haiba Wafam Masida Yumfam Oraga Maikai Kyadagi Khongjang Changsinduna Lady Gonana Pung Nifunipangi General Strike Shoe Kokomina Kauduna Haukiba Ahing Nuyada Lukiba Ngari Bani Adumapu Masi Aroi Banumita State Ki Lay Oriba Tanglaba Shirui Hariba Lay Makal Asigi Mingda Amadi Lay Asibu Yokat Daba Masibu Kanabugidamak Pangthokpa Kumai Asida Paumi Singi Thaulang Sujama Chawad Madam Orakanda Lengaki Oiba Pauxing Haptragasu Kumai Asigi Kalaga Maruina Shiroi Lili Hariba Lay Amadi Ukhul District Kundariba Tangkul Purup Singna Luna Laujaba Sugumba Kumai Amadi Lay Manipur Pumbagi Oiba Yamna Tanglaba Malami Mapam Atopra Pangraba Lay Asigidamak Kalaga Ngasigi Paumi Singasi Shiroi Kumai Gi Closing Function Yauna Bugidamak Imphal Gi Manipur Press Club Tagi Ukhul Gidamak Hongshan Bahaukibane
Ngasi koi Shiroi Festival gi aroiba numit nasi akoina closing ceremony yauna na ba koi All Manipur Working Journalists Union na sinjaraga forum masigi media coverage tongna na bani koi takaturi se masi punna media kun mathoi galuna na atai official kunna mari se koi hojik tegi satkani masi na horen untin pung ogungi koi closing ceremony si yaura matungda ay mangalaga koi Imphal damak atorapani hariba kongtese maruoina koina hokiba tangkunda pangthokpa Shiroi Festival gi DIPR na host oiraga tatkiba khongjat aduda karigumba koina pamdaba thobu amaga thokki masigi matung tarakpada koina Shiroi release se pauni anumak maka hapaga laki atai sarkagi police ki central force ki singi pausing ko tawraga ado koina especially Shiroi gi di koigi lebak sing interest da koina gumba timba amda thamdana koi paunu ngasi ko hapalai madugi saru amoina ngasi koigi closing ceremony asisu amduna maruina daita lauraga hariba mega coverage asi tanaba koi orang tokjabani ai haina thamdaga
Reliance Industries Limited ki Chairman Amadi Managing Director Mukesh Ambani na India ki awang pok lamdam gi state singi Chief Minister Singda tungan ba Hiram Singda chakot thorang pakat nabagi damak thajaba pikre madugi manungda ahan bada lakataba chahi manga asida India ki awang pok lamdamda lupa koti lising humra gi chakot thorangi thabak paikhatpa ani shubada North East region da Giona Chada Maudra kabatawriba asigi mathakta miyoi million mangana 5G subscribe tawri masigi mathakta saruk ani thokna hengatuna school hospital enterprise amadi yumda Jio gi 5G phangannaba thorang tawba ahum subada lomi singi senthok hengathanaba tongan ba thorang paikhatpa mari subada North East ki state singda solar power marang kaina phangannaba thorang sing paikhatpa manga subada region asida cancer care gi kwaidagi faba thorang sing paikhatpa masigi manungsana Manipur da phamung chamaga yankhai thaba cancer hospital ama sagatle hainashu Mukesh Ambani na makha taki Atopa Mizoram amadi Assam gusu kusam na batadatana tungan ba state singda afaba cancer care pinaba thorang paikhatli haina phongdokhi taruk subadana North East ki state singa kusam maduna state khuding makta Olympic training center sing hangnaba honori hainashu Mukesh Ambani na makha taki wafam sing asi New Delhi gi Bharat Mandapam na pangthokpa Rising Northeast Investor Summit lisingani kunmanga da Mukesh Ambani na phongdokhibani.
Today, I make 6 commitments to the Chief Ministers of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura. First, Reliance has invested up around rupees 30,000 crores in the region in the past 40 years. In the next 5 years, we will more than double our investments with our target at 75,000 crores. In addition to creating over 2.5 million direct and indirect employment opportunities, we aspire to touch the lives of most of our 45 million sisters and brothers in Northeast. Second, Jio has already covered 90% of the population with over 5 million 5G subscribers. We will double this number this year. Jio's priority will be to bring the revolutionary power of artificial intelligence to all schools, hospitals, enterprise and homes. When talent meets technology and competence meets connectivity, our Northeast will surge ahead. Third, Reliance Retail will vastly increase its procurement of staples, fruits and vegetables to boost the income of farmers. We will also invest in factories for high quality FMCG products in the regions and promote the region's fabulous artisan economy. Fourth, we will greatly enhance generation of solar power in the region. Our Prime Minister often speaks of converting waste to wealth. In line with this, we will convert the region's vast wasteland and wealth land by setting up 350 integrated compressed biogas plants. Fifth, Reliance Foundation will bring the best of cancer care to the Northeast. To begin with, we have established a 150-bed comprehensive cancer hospital in Manipur. We are collaborating with Mizoram University on care of breast cancer using genomic data. In Guwahati, we have built an advanced molecular diagnostic and research lab. It will be among the largest genome sequencing capacities in India. We will help transform the Northeast into a healthcare hub and a research powerhouse. Sixth, the Northeast is a treasure house of world-class talent in multiple sports. Reliance Foundation will work with all the 8 states to set up Olympic training centers which will prepare our youth to be tomorrow's medal winners in Olympics. Most respected Prime Minister Shri Modi ji, you have achieved something unbelievable and unimaginable. You have brought the Northeast from the periphery to the center of India's developmental map, from the margins to the mainstream of the India story.
Manipur Manipur haiba wahi thaba yaroi haibagi tawong adugi mayokta yaningda phonutuna ngarang numidang su tongan mafam singda mera paibi singna mera khongye chatuna yaningda phonokre porabi lamding nupi maro porabi mera paibi amadi nungoi awang lekai mera paibi luf hadibadup sing asena senduna mera khongje adu chatkhi amoromda laifam kuno apunma mera paibi amadi sangakfam mera paibi lei inkol anina kusam maduna the Aurora Club and Library Laifam Kunauga Unna Sinduna Sangakfam Ground Dagi Mairagi Kongchit Amasu Chatki PR Lalawa Matungda Manipuri Governor na Lengak Sasan Tauragasu Manipur State Asada Manipur Haiba Wahayasi Taba Yaroi Hariba Tawong Adu Kandem Tawi Hainasu Kongchit Adu Yaukiba Mio Shingna Kolaukia Lauki.
Bos, very good.
The Siroi Festival, Zakibada, Akogi Manipur, Taba Yaroi, Haina Haikibado, Garigino Habamata, Okulai Velam, Siboko Manipur Gilam, Natabra. Akoi Okulai was a Manipur, Manipur Gilam, Masibo, Manipur Taba Yaroi, Haina, Haikibado, Akoyaning de, Aduga, कुकीसिंगना तालिबा डिमांड से पीखरबरा अखोई मामा अखोई मयाम लेरिङै मतमदा अखोई मणिपुरगी लम इंची मा कायबा यारोय हाइदना ngasi अखोई मैरा पाइबी मयामना खोंजंग से चंगसनजबनी
Manipur स्कोइगी स्टेट सिदा अखोई फ्रीली मूवमेंट तौबा पामी अखोइना चटपा मतमदा अखोइना एनी मूवमेंट तौबा मतमदा अखोइ बुकना ना डिस्टर्ब तौबा से अखोइ पामजदे डिवाइड रूल सादबा सिंग से अखोइदगी चथोक पिकरो अदुगा अखोइना मसीदा अखोइ फ्री मूवमेंट तौबा अखोइ बु ngak selibani haraga अखोइ पुंफाना ngak सेनबिदबा सिदा अखोइ याम नुंगाइजदे
Manipur state transport haina tharaga chapa matamda yaroi haina thingaga अखोइगी चलहंदबा कइगुमा मुथलगा चंगागा दि यानी हाइना सिलिबदु तछेंगना नुंगाइते हारिबा Manipur state गवर्नमेंट सिलगा अखोइगी सिनखिबा सिरोई लिली फेस्टिवल अदु अखोइगी चलिबा गाड़ी अदु अखोइगी पाउमीना अदुगुमलबा पिक थलगा यावरबा गाड़ीनी तछेंगना मछि नुंगाइते अखोइगी इराइबा अखोइगी इरमदम असिगी मनुंगदा अखोइगी इमिंग थारगा चपा हेबसी अखोइ इसागी थफम थोपनी मखोइना मुथलो हेबसी अखोइ यानिंगदे अदुकी मतिक अखोइ केंदेम तवी मरम अदुना ngasi nungoi awang lekai amadi orabina khoi pullaga khoi yaning de haibegi kholaw aduni khoina laujai basi